Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I am here far away from our room, and actually we all are going, as you can see my friends just in front of me, and right now we all are going to the cricket stadium to level up something, right? And now as you can see I have the tool called hand trowel. That's to you level up the concrete, right? Yes. And right now actually the employees that we are working in our company, so the elders of our company, they have called us to get there. So that is why guys, right now we are going to the cricket stadium. We are not going to the lab or the place where we work, right? We are going to the another place just to play cricket tomorrow. Yes. And tomorrow is 26th January, and in 26th January will be cricket, and I might show you, right? But right now we are just going to do work, but I'm not sure what all we have to do just by going. But right now as you can see I have this trowel tool, right? And that's true, we might have to work a little bit, but just after getting there I guys show you everything whatever I will have to do. So you just keep on watching. Okay, so now as you can see guys, if you want to see the background of this place, so now as you can see all around me here is jungle, right? And here inside this jungle there is a track where we walk, right? And now as you can see someone has fired this jungle to make it safer, right? So here in this mountain place you even get to see some dogs. Now as you can see the puppy here, and I think we might finally reach to the place, right, where we are coming right now. And now you can see some of the people are, I don't know what they have eating or having, but yeah, I think we might reach to the place. Yes, this is the cricket stadium where, but I am not sure if I will play cricket tomorrow or not, but we might, right? I'm not sure. But if I will get chance to play, then I will try my best to play with them. And by the way, if I talk about me, I love playing cricket, but I don't know how to play cricket well, right? Okay, and also just in front of me you are able to see two of the buildings that are looking pretty good. And finally we have come to the place. This is a huge cricket stadium where some of the people who will play cricket. And now as you can see here there is a tent, and my friend Inder and Pradeep, they have already came here. Wow, what this is called? This is called a tent, and they are making just to stay people here because tomorrow there will be a lots of people here. Okay, so let's enter to this ground and walking here. Is this called a pitch? I'm not sure by the way, and where people are playing cricket from here. Okay, one more thing, as you can see guys, someone have here grabbed some of the wood to fire. I don't know why they have grabbed these. Okay guys, so now I knew the reason why we brought this trowel, right? It's because through this cube we have to make a round shape that will use to keep this flag, right? I just kept it here, and they have decorated this ground with flags is because to make this interesting and looking good. Okay guys, so right now I just come through this car to bring a spade. So now as you can see I just came along with him, and right now we move to the garage. By the way, if you guys have watched my previous video, so I showed you earlier this place, right? Now as you can see it's a huge garage place where there are lots of cars are getting repaired here. And if I will go a bit distant ahead, and you will get to see the place where we sometimes come to get water. Okay, so let's move ahead and drink water a little bit because I am also feeling thirsty a little bit. So why not to drink water, right? Yes, there are lots of huge bulldozers here because it is not any kind of garage, it's a huge. So now this is the place where I sometimes come to get water. Okay guys, so right now I have just come to see the airport. So now as you can see, and by the way I have showed you guys earlier, right, in my previous video, and as you can see, and one of the plane just landing, right, and actually I have skipped to show you, but let's wait for takeoff. When any of them will take off, then I will guys try to show you. And right now my driver is calling me, so that is why I am going to my car. Right now we all are digging a hole with this hoe. So now as you can see, and by the way I don't know the tool, what this is called in English, and we are digging this hole just to place this flag, right, because tomorrow is 26th January, so to celebrate 26th January, so that is why we are doing it right now. Okay guys, so right now we got to the final part of this video because it's getting dark, so that is why guys, from here I would like to stop recording it. But so here I want to show you the view of this place. So now as you can see, we are constructing here. We just have placed the, what this is called, and now I am going to show you guys here. There are lots of people are practicing here, and because tomorrow there will be a lots of people will come to play cricket here, so that is why guys. So right now as you can see, and I'm not sure will I be play or not with them, but yes, I will try my best to play with them tomorrow. Okay guys, so I think that's all for today. If you learned something new from this video, so I want you to please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. So that's all.